Over the past few weeks, I've been seeing this bull thistle. It was getting bigger and bigger, and more bull thistles flowers were forming. I was so pretty. As I visited, I checked out what kind of insects were launching on this flower. It's very vibrant, and yes, it's a big flower thistle. I have seen a monarch passing by, but not really going on the flower. I've seen a few insects that were intricately searching for something in the petals of the flower. And I have also watched a bee hovering and intensely searching in the petals of the thistle flower. This morning I took a walk. It wasn't very early, and I went to the waterfall. I gathered a few thoughts there. I walked with the sun, and it was very pleasant. I walked my way back, and at the back of my mind, there must have been the thistle flower because I went to visit this thistle flower. I mean, I had seen it so many times now. So, as I approached the area where the thistle flower is, and there are other thistle flower plants around an opposite direction, but this particular one, I had seen it almost wilting now. It was at the stage of maturity that it was forming seeds. So, as I am approaching this flower, I see something yellow on it, and it was the American goldfinch. I took this video, and I hope you will enjoy it. A few tips here when you see a bird on a plant or flower or tree. It is good to approach the bird little by little. Start taking shots a little far away, and then see that the bird gets maybe comfortable with you being around, and then start maybe getting a little bit closer. There is that space we have to always respect when we are in nature. It is a shared space, and while we really want to capture as much as possible the behavior and action of a particular bird, it is also important to bear in mind that they are afraid. They feel threatened maybe when somebody moves in closer. They are searching for food or water or shelter, and I sometimes feel that maybe I am very close, but I can feel as well that a bird, when it doesn't feel threatened, it lets you approach a little bit closer. It has that sense that you can be in their surroundings, in their midst. The only reason that this bird flew was because somebody was coming from the opposite of my direction, and it heard these running sounds and it was scared, so it flew away. I stayed there for a while thinking maybe the bird will come back because there are quite a few seeds left in this flower, but it didn't. I am pretty sure I had to move away from that area in order for the bird to come back. I didn't have that time to stay there from, watching it from afar and spending some time there and see if it approached back the flower. But as I was walking, I did see this same bird in the area, and it was going to the water, going on trees by the water, so this is part definitely of its habitat. But it is so much beautiful to watch and enjoy, and I hope that these tips are helpful when you are out in nature and even taking your own video or taking pictures with the camera. This morning, I felt that I was fortunate enough to see this bird on the thistle, which is a first time. But also, I was fortunate not to have the camera. I do believe that if I had my bigger camera, the bird might have been felt threatened. And I think capturing this on my phone, even though it might not be very, very clear, allowed me to enjoy it. So, capturing moments like this with the phone is also recommended because it is less intrusive. The camera sometimes allows you to capture clarity, and when you are far away, it gives you more opportunity to explore and check out the behaviors. But I believe that I was at the right time, at the right place, and with the right gear this morning to have captured this American Goldfinch on the Bull Thistle. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button, and help Nature and Rivers grow. We want to share these videos with communities. We'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.